Okay, so it's Monday. What's the date?
This is 11th of November. It's Armistice Day, Veterans Day.
Veterans Day.
Right, and that's the day I landed in Japan 67 years ago on November 11th.
67 years ago.
Yeah, I landed in Japan 1946, November 11th.
Wow.
I remember that.
You sailed over there.
Yeah, it took us 11 days to get over from San Francisco. We took the northern route into Yokohama.
All right, and then today we're going to the villages.
Right. Do you know how to get there?
I do.
Okay.
So you're going to do a little dancing and a little romancing.
Whatever it takes. Yeah.
There's some single women up there, I think.
Oh, I'm sure there are.
You know, so maybe we'll get you a golf cart and you can enjoy the week up there.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
How long are we gonna be there?
It depends on how long you want to stay. We've got 3 nights, but we could stay 5.
Oh no.
Okay, it's up to you.
Probably 3 is fine.
Okay, it's up to you though.
That would be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Right. It'll cost us the same though. If we stay 5 or 3, it's the same amount of money.
It's $100?
Yeah, so it's up for you to decide. I mean, 3 nights, 5 nights, whatever.
Maybe 4 nights.
Yeah.
Thursday, we'll see.
All right, let's go. So this is the villages, and as we were pulling in, my dad said, he said, "Boy, this looks familiar," and it sure does. This is where we were about almost a year ago, last January. So we're gonna hang out here in this. This is called Lake Sumter Landing, and we're gonna hang out here and wait for the gentleman that owns the home that we're going to be renting. So, looks familiar.
Yes, it does. Yeah, I remember. I think we used to go over there.
For dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we'll wait about an hour and John will come.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we've arrived here. How do you like it?
It's nice.
It's nice home, huh?
Very nice home. And
So,
it's right on the golf course.
We've got a beautiful, we found this on Airbnb. And if you were looking at a map of the villages, this is a home located on Imperial Lane in the villages. So I'll step outside, give you a nice view of the outside. Just a beautiful, this home is, the value of these homes, the owner was telling me they're about $300,000. So we're right on a golf course. You can see it's a beautiful day here in Central Florida. And the home rents, if you were to rent a home down here for a month in January, February, or March, the home would rent for about $3,800 per month. So it's got just about everything you could want. It's got nice Wi-Fi, nice kitchen everything that you need to cook up a nice meal. And there's 3 bedrooms here. There's a room where my dad is going to be staying. And then come over here. You got a room, this will be where I'm going to sleep, or maybe my dad will sleep, I don't know. But, and then they actually have a golf cart. And I was telling them that my dad is a ranger, what they call a ranger, up in Ohio, and it's actually they call them golf ambassadors down here. You know how to drive one of these things? Do you know how to drive one of these?
I'm not sure because we have them at the golf course.
Uh-huh. Well, this is a pretty nice one. Don't you think?
Yeah, well, it is nice.
Okay, so we'll give it a spin a little bit later.
He'll have to show us how it works.
You'll have to figure it out. All right? Okay, so he'll figure that out, and maybe we'll take it for a spin. All right, so we're all settled in, and you can see my dad here. He's happy as can be that he's got this sporty little He's got this sporty little golf cart. You know how to ride one of these, huh?
There's nothing to it. It's just put forward and reverse.
But this is a real sporty one,
It's nice.
huh? You'd probably meet a nice woman driving around the Villages in this.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take me to the supermarket.
Okay, where is it?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
All right.
It's a beautiful day here in Florida,
It is.
and my dad is just cruising along on this golf cart. I wish I had a nickel for every time he said, "This is really nice." You having a good time there?
Yeah, this is great. This is great.
Look at you go. Have you ever driven a golf cart out on the road like this?
No, haven't never.
Something else, huh?
It's really good. Who you talking to?
We're talking to everybody out there on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You know, like you can say hi to my friend Todd.
Okay, hi Todd.
Okay, Todd, you got a shout out from my dad Ernie.
Okay.
All right, so
Where are
let's
we going? Todd?
go straight. Keep going straight.
Right.
But watch the cars.
I will.
Okay? You know how you are. Right? Just keep going straight. All right, he's enjoying this. Everywhere you go in the Villages, there's just, everywhere you look, there's golf carts, huh, Dad?
Yeah, a lot of golf carts.
This is a nice golf cart, isn't it?
It's a nice village.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll find our way to lunch here. It sure is a beautiful day in Florida. There's 37 golf courses here, believe it or not. 37 9-hole golf courses.
Yeah.
Keep going straight. You did it.
We did it.
Huh? You did it.
Yeah.
You drove me a little crazy though.
Yeah.
You know that?
Okay. So what are you gonna buy us food?
I don't know, we'll get something.
Okay.
I'm gonna drive home.
That's okay.
You have the key?
I got it.
Okay.
I gotta tie my shoes anyway.
All right, this is a one of several or many recreation centers here in the Villages. There's a beautiful pool that's real close to this, and then this is a rec center just up the street from where we're staying. And fortunately, my dad and I have complete access to and use of any of the rec centers here.
Huh?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll see what it looks like.
Let's go on inside. Do they have Christmas stuff up? Oh, it looks like they're getting ready for Christmas already. Wow. Look at this place.
Wow.
It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
So we'll take a walk through the rec center. That's beautiful. So this is what you have to look forward to when you get old, huh? You're fortunate enough to...
Fire cones sometimes. Big logs.
Oh, and here's a... Now you'll notice I don't see any men sitting in here. That's probably something that my dad will notice as well.
That's nice. Yeah.
So we'll come back out. What a beautiful place. there's a care package event going on over here. What in the world? Operation Shoebox. 1 million care package event. Wow. Look at this. So it looks like they're all, wow.
Hi, everybody. Hey, they wanted me to announce.
This really
They
is
wanted me
something.
to announce that there are more subs left in the kitchen. So if you're still hungry, it would be very nice if you went
So
back
it looks
and
like what
bought
they're
a
doing is just walking through. It's an assembly line, and they're going through and
sandwich, a bag of
packaging
chips,
things,
and a bottle of
I'm
water.
assuming for our
All
troops.
for $4.
Is this all for the troops?
Yes.
Yes, it is. All
Wow.
of it.
What an event. This is America at its best, you know that? What you see right here is the United States of America at its very best. I heard that the top 3 countries in the world that give away, charity, that donate to charity in order are the U.S., England, and France. And the United States gives more to charity per capita combined than France and England combined. So my dad is probably wandering around here somewhere. See, where'd he go? No, I don't know. Women out here outnumber the men. It looks like a good, I don't know, 3 or 4 to 1. It looks like. So my dad's walking around here somewhere. I better find him and before he gets lost. What a beautiful place, though. Okay. I think my dad is just kind of,
Yeah, volunteers, yeah.
they're packaging stuff for the troops.
Is that what they're doing?
For the troops. Isn't that something? Boy, I think he picked the, you sure you don't want to move down here?
No. It's okay to visit. I wouldn't want to live down here, though.
You wouldn't. I don't know. If he meets a nice woman, I'm sure that opinion would change.